What if a male facelift could achieve subtle perfection even with its unique challenges? Take a look at this 68-year-old patient after my deep plane facelift, fat grafting, and Renovian resurfacing. The results are impressive, way brighter and lifted, enhancing a refreshed masculine appearance. His neck, amazingly snatched and smooth with a firm, youthful contour. A masculine result restores a square jawline, natural, not feminized or looking unnatural. His skin tone, healthy, revitalized skin with even texture and scars that are imperceptible due to meticulous technique. This transformation highlights the precision required for male-specific rejuvenation, maintaining a natural look. I'd welcome the opportunity to explore how we can address your needs.